Hi, I'm Steve Middleton, Sales Director of Cellar Glass and Mirri, and I'm here today with Jill Mellor, owner of Wold Top Brewery.
Hello.
So Jill, we're here today to talk about this unique 4-bottle beer pack from Wold Top Brewery using our MirriNor material. First of all, can you tell us a little bit about Wold Top Brewery?
Yep, we're a farm-based brewery. We grew out of the need for farm diversification. About 10 years ago, we looked at what we did best, which was growing malting barley, and we have our own supply of chalk filtered water. Put 2 and 2 together and made beer. We're in the most marvellous situation. We're on top of the Yorkshire Wolds, made famous recently by David Hockney with all of the exhibition in London. So we really felt we wanted to make something of the area that we lived in.
How did the sort of concept for this whole pack sort of come together?
It was quite interesting. It came from a brief to us from Smurfit Kappa asking us to produce beer for a beer pack that they were producing with the material for a promotional box. We were so impressed with the pack that they produced that it certainly made us look at what we had and what we would like to have by way of a beer pack.
I understand the MirriNor team were actually very involved in the actual design concept as well, not just in the inks and the colours, but also the cardboard engineering.
They were, that on the actual box alone they did a lot of work in holding the bottles much more rigidly in the box so they don't twist once they're packed. We wanted to keep the pack looking very similar to packs we've had before, but they incorporated all our new branding, our new logo, and just tidied it and made it work well.
You used MirriNor, which is a lightweight material, yet very strong metallic feel to it, which is using the Smurfit Kappa tea flute. How does that compare to what you would normally use?
It's completely different. We were normally just using a corrugated card. This is thinner, lighter, looks massively better, but it's the big difference for us is it's made the box smaller by every dimension, and therefore that the outer box we pack in is smaller, which means we can fit more on a pallet. It's a more expensive looking product. It's taken it into a different league. MirriNor
is biodegradable and recyclable. I guess this is important to you.
It is actually. We're making a big plug at the moment about sustainability. We power an awful lot of the brewery with wind turbines from the farm, so we do push the sort of greener side, and this just fits perfectly.
As you know, ColourLogic software was used to produce these colours. Were you happy with the result?
Really happy. The richness of the tone that we get is perfect, and the change that they could do just to alter slight little bits was so easy. It worked very well.
What's the feedback been like?
Feedback's been absolutely brilliant so far. We've not had the product for very long. We've been making an enormous number of packs up, and everybody that's taking it has been really thrilled with what they're seeing. So we're really, really pleased.